Every move we make online leaves a digital footprint: shopping, chatting, searching, and sharing. Whether we're buying groceries, catching up with friends, or simply reading the news, our actions are quietly recorded and stored. Each click, each like, and every search query adds another layer to our digital identity, often without us even realizing it. This constant tracking makes many feel exposed, as if living in a house with glass walls. Imagine every conversation, every interest, and every curiosity on display for strangers to see. The sense of vulnerability grows as we realize just how much of our lives are accessible to others, sometimes even more than we'd willingly share with friends or family. Privacy isn't about hiding wrongdoing. It's about freedom to explore and express without being watched or targeted. It's the comfort of knowing you can research sensitive topics, seek support, or simply be yourself without fear of judgment or manipulation. In a world where our interests and behaviors are constantly analyzed, privacy becomes a shield that allows us to grow, learn, and connect authentically. The desire for online anonymity is a natural response to this surveillance. It's a way of pushing back against the feeling of being constantly monitored, of reclaiming a sense of control over our own narratives. People want to browse without being tracked by corporations or data brokers. They want to avoid having their preferences sold to the highest bidder, or their personal information used to manipulate their choices. The right to move through digital spaces unseen is becoming as fundamental as the right to close your front door. For some, like journalists and activists, anonymity is essential for safety. It protects sources, shields identities, and allows important stories to be told without fear of retaliation. In oppressive regimes or sensitive situations, anonymity can be the difference between safety and danger, between truth and silence. For everyone else, it's about reclaiming a basic right to privacy. Whether you're a parent, a student, or just someone who values their personal space, the ability to control who sees your information is empowering. It's about setting boundaries in a world that often ignores them. The internet, once a place of freedom, is now a marketplace for your data. What started as a tool for connection and discovery has become a battleground for your personal information, with companies and advertisers eager to profit from your habits and preferences. Companies build detailed profiles about you, influencing what you see and buy. Algorithms shape your online experience, nudging you towards certain products, opinions, and even relationships. The more they know, the easier it is to predict and manipulate your behavior. The quest for untraceability is about taking back control of your data. It's about deciding what you share, with whom, and for what purpose. It's a way to protect your autonomy in a world that profits from your personal details. How do you disappear online? It starts with masking your digital identity. By using privacy tools and being mindful of your digital habits, you can reduce your visibility and regain some of the freedom the internet once promised. Your IP address is a key part of that identity. It's like your digital home address, revealing your location and connecting your actions across the web. Protecting it is the first step toward true anonymity. By controlling your IP, you take a big step toward online anonymity. Tools like VPNs and proxies help you mask your location and encrypt your traffic, making it much harder for trackers to follow your every move. This guide will show you the tools and techniques to reclaim your privacy. From browser extensions to secure messaging apps, you'll learn practical steps to protect your identity and keep your data safe from prying eyes. It's more achievable than you might think. With the right knowledge and a few simple changes, you can enjoy the internet on your own terms: free, private, and secure. Imagine your IP address as your device's digital return address on the vast internet highway. Just like a home address lets the postal service deliver your mail, your IP address tells the internet where to send the information you request, whether it's a website, a video, or an email. Without it, your device would be lost in the online world, unable to communicate or receive anything. This unique number is assigned to you by your internet service provider, or ISP, every time you connect to the internet. It acts as your online identity card, allowing websites and services to recognize your device and send data back to you. Think of it as your personal passport for the digital world. Every device that connects to the internet, your phone, your laptop, your smart TV, gets its own IP address. This means that whether you're streaming a movie, shopping online, or just checking your email, your device is constantly announcing its presence to the web. And this address can reveal more about you than you might expect. Your IP address can often pinpoint your general location, such as your city or even your neighborhood. This is how websites can show you local news, weather, or services tailored to where you are. But it also means that your online movements can be tracked, making your browsing habits less private than you might think. Every website you visit logs your IP address, creating a digital footprint of your activity. Over time, this trail can reveal a lot about your interests, routines, and even your daily schedule. Advertisers and online platforms use this information to build a detailed profile of your interests and habits. That's why you might notice ads following you around the web, tailored to things you've searched for or sites you've visited. Your ISP, the company that provides your internet connection, also keeps records of your browsing history, all linked to your IP address. This data can be stored for months or even years, depending on local laws and company policies. In many countries, ISPs are legally required to store this information and may have to hand it over to authorities if requested. This means your online activity isn't just visible to companies, but potentially to governments as well. Private browsing modes, like incognito, only clear your history on your device. They don't hide your IP address or erase the trail you leave online. Your ISP and the websites you visit can still see your activity. So, even if you think you're browsing privately, your actions are still visible to your ISP and the sites you interact with. True privacy requires more than just clearing your local history. To really protect your privacy, you need to hide or change your IP address. Tools like VPNs, proxies, or privacy-focused browsers can mask your real IP, making it much harder for anyone to track your online activity back to you. Privacy-focused browsers go a step further by blocking trackers, encrypting your data, and helping you browse the web anonymously. They're designed to break the link between your online actions and your real-world identity. By using these tools, you can take control of your digital footprint, ensuring that your browsing habits and personal information stay private, and your identity remains protected in the online world. Imagine changing your IP address as if you're sending out letters, but each time you use a completely different return address. Just like in the real world, this simple change makes it much harder for anyone to figure out where the letter originally came from or who sent it. When you change your IP, it's as if no one can trace those digital letters back to you. Your online actions become much more difficult to connect to your real identity. Privacy browsers and VPNs take this a step further by routing your internet traffic through secure servers located all around the globe. This process masks your true location, making it appear as if you're browsing from a completely different country. To the websites you visit, your location seems to change from moment to moment. One minute you're in Germany, the next you're in Japan, and then perhaps the United States, all without ever leaving your chair. This constant shifting of your digital address makes it nearly impossible for anyone, hackers, trackers, or even government agencies, to reliably follow your online movements or build a profile about you. Advertisers, who rely on tracking your habits to target you with ads, find it extremely difficult to build accurate profiles when your IP keeps changing and your data is scattered. Even your internet service provider, which usually sees every website you visit, is blocked from viewing your destination sites. Your browsing history stays private. Plus, changing your IP lets you bypass annoying geographic restrictions. You can access content and websites that might otherwise be blocked in your country, opening up a truly global internet experience. For journalists and activists working in sensitive environments, this level of protection is absolutely vital. It can mean the difference between safety and exposure. But it's not just for experts. Everyday users benefit too. Whether you're at home or using public Wi-Fi, changing your IP acts as a powerful shield against surveillance and unwanted snooping. Your digital fingerprint, the unique trail you leave online, becomes blurred and much harder to track, giving you true privacy and peace of mind. The best part? With the right privacy tools, this level of anonymity is now accessible to anyone, regardless of technical skill. Next, let's explore the privacy browsers that make all of this possible, and see how you can start protecting yourself today. You don't need to be a tech expert to browse anonymously. Several free browsers are designed to change your IP and protect your privacy. We'll explore 3 top options: Tor browser, Epic privacy browser, and Brave with Tor tabs. Tor is the gold standard for anonymity, used worldwide. Epic offers a simple, fast approach with a built-in encrypted proxy. Brave combines everyday browsing with on-demand Tor-powered privacy. Each has unique strengths for different needs. Let's dive into how they work. Tor browser is the most trusted tool for online anonymity. It routes your traffic through multiple encrypted layers, bouncing between servers worldwide. No single point knows both your identity and your destination. Your real IP is hidden, replaced by the exit node's address. Tor is decentralized, run by volunteers, and leaves no trace on your device. The trade-off is speed. Browsing can be slow, and some sites block Tor users. Still, for those needing maximum privacy, Tor is unmatched. It's pre-configured for security, blocking risky plugins and scripts. For high-risk users, Tor's protection is worth the slower speeds. Epic Privacy Browser takes a straightforward approach to hiding your IP. It routes all traffic through a single encrypted proxy, masking your location. Epic is fast and easy to use, built on the familiar Chromium engine. Ads, trackers, and fingerprinting scripts are blocked by default. The main trade-off: you trust Epic's team to protect your data as it's a centralized service. Epic promises a strict no-logging policy, but you rely on their word. The free proxy has limited server locations, but it's ideal for daily privacy. To activate, just click the proxy icon. One click, and your IP is hidden. Epic is perfect for users who want privacy without complexity. It's a practical, always-on solution for everyday browsing. Brave Browser blends speed, privacy, and flexibility. By default, it blocks ads and trackers for a cleaner experience. Its standout feature: private windows with Tor connectivity. Open a Tor-powered tab for sensitive tasks, while using regular tabs for everyday browsing. This hybrid approach gives you Tor's anonymity when you need it, without switching browsers. Brave's Tor tabs aren't as secure as the full Tor browser, but they're a great entry point. Setup is simple. Just select New Private Window with Tor from the menu. Brave is ideal for those curious about Tor, but wanting a familiar, fast browser. Getting started with anonymous browsing is simple. Download Tor browser from the official site, install, and click Connect to browse anonymously. For Epic, visit their website, install, and activate the encrypted proxy with one click. Brave users can import bookmarks, use regular windows for daily browsing, and open a Tor window for privacy. Always download browsers from official sources to avoid malware. Keep your browser updated for security. Remember, these tools are part of a larger privacy strategy. No browser can protect you if you log into personal accounts and reveal your identity. Be mindful of what you share online. Use these browsers as a foundation for better privacy. Your digital safety starts with small, smart choices. Protecting your online privacy is digital self-defense in a world of constant surveillance. Tor, Epic, and Brave offer powerful ways to shield your activity from prying eyes. Each browser balances security, speed, and convenience differently. Tor is best for maximum anonymity, Epic for fast daily privacy, and Brave for flexible, on-demand protection. You don't need to be an expert. Just choose the tool that fits your needs. By changing how you browse, you can break free from data collection. Download one today and experience the web without being watched. Whether you're a journalist, activist, or just value your privacy, these tools empower you. The internet should be a place of freedom, not control. Take the first step. Your privacy is worth it.